Hello, my name is Junior Martinez. I am 24 years old. I am from Valledupar. I am studying for a degree in occupational safety and health. My hobby included playing soccer, working out in events, and reading from time to time. Uh, my daily activities are I wake up at 5:30 and to get ready and go to work. Two, I ready my motorcycle for about 10 to 15 minutes to head to work. Three, after my first shift, I go home for lunch and return to work. Four, uh, after afternoon shift, I'll pick up my painter from on the working workplace, pardon. Sorry, hitting workplace. 5. Around 7 p.m. I have dinner and then around 8 p.m. I worked out. 6. I get ready for bed. To family activities. 1. Whenever there's a debate, we go to river on the countryside to spend the day. 2. On city or the national holidays, we head to Hatter, throw part in the meek events. Uh, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.